Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Rubel. So today we will learn how to download WordPress on Windows. So let's get started. So the first I will open Chrome browser. Then I will go to Google homepage. Then in the search box, just type download WordPress on Windows. Then navigate to the download page on WordPress by clicking this link like wordpress.org. So you will land it to this page and then click download WordPress. So after you click this, it will be download will start and it will be on your download folder. So navigate to your download folder. So you will see on the zip format. Like when it is download, it will be download as a zip file format. So what do you have to do? You have to unzip this file by right-click on WordPress. I mean, right-click on this folder and extract all. And whatever location you like, you can select the location by browse here. So I will, like for now, I will leave on the download folder. So then extract. And then it will take a few minutes to unzip this WordPress. And after it unzips, it will looks like similar to this. So before I record this video, I already unzipped this file. So if I click on this WordPress, you will see the WordPress is download and all the file or folder associated with this WordPress. It should looks like this. Okay, thank you.